Hello friends, today I am going to add date picker calendar to Microsoft Excel sheet. I can select date here and you can see this date automatically show in highlighted cell. This type of calendar very important because you can see what is the date you selected. Is it Monday, is it Tuesday, like this. If you think this video is important to you, please click the red color button and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for future video notifications. Now we'll see how to create this. I have a chart which includes some personal information and I need to add date picker calendar to birthday cell. First of all, we should add the developer tab to Excel sheet. Normally developer tab not show in Excel sheet. Go to the file and select the option and click the customize ribbon and tick the developer. Now you can click the OK. Now you can see the developer tab here and select the developer tab and go to the insert and click this icon. Now we should select Microsoft date and time picker. And now click the OK. And now we can draw the calendar and click the design icon. Now I can select the date here, but you can see this date not showing required cell. We should link this date to required cell. Now we will see how link selected date with required cell. Click design icon again and select the properties. Select the DT picker and should type the required cell in link cell. Required cell is B5 and I type B5 here. And we cannot type due to this value is true and we should select this as false. Now close. Click the design icon again. Now I can select the date. You can see selected date show in required cell.